So ahead of that vestibule pressurization, we have to do leak checks to make sure the levels are balancing out before we bring pressure into the vestibule. So those are now complete, and we are go to proceed with pressurizing the vestibule.
Lots of cheering here in the room, big hugs. Suni William coming through in her blue flight suit.
Followed shortly behind by Commander of Starliner, Butch Wilmore. Now back on the space station, the third visit for both astronauts and the first crewed flight test of the Starliner spacecraft.